I got my kite over here, and I got my DJI Spark right there. So to do this, you gotta be careful. You see what I'm talking about? Your lines. So this is the hardest part to do drone active tracking, kiteboarding, because you have lines. And now it's following me. Spark's still following me. Sorry guys, pretty sunny. Yeah, the wave is crazy. Wow, that's about like 8-foot waves. Woohoo! So we might pass that, depending on the I gotta wait. Got the Spark following me, so pretty cool. Got the DJI Spark following me right now. Woohoo! The big waves. Awesome. So to catch that, woohoo! Woohoo! So you see that? The Spark is following me. So even though I'm going the speed, I'm going about probably like 20 some miles. That little buddy right there still catching up. So it's pretty cool gig to have. And of course, you know, you make sure if you're doing this, always watch your drone. And I do it with the Mavic Pro and also with the DJI Spark. So you just watch it. And you can see me right now doing crazy things. So you can just jump, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And the jump. And then now I'm turning. So, and I got a big wave coming at me. Woo! Woo! It's amazing. See that, guys? One trip. So it's all practice. You're gonna need lots of battery for sure, but it's worth it, man. You know, you can do your own video. And no one tell you can do whatever you want to do in this. That's the cool thing about it. So the jump, the GGR Spark is amazing. See right now, look at that, still catching up with me. Woohoo! Yeah, so it's crazy. It's blowing right now. Amazing, look at that. Woo! The GGR Spark did it, guys. Wow, amazing. Way. You see that? Did a nice job. Woo! So now I gotta look for my footage. Ah! See that? I gotta run over here. I gotta make sure everything is right. So it's a lot of work, but you see, guys, this is a genuine rush of kiteboarding. And then now you can look at that, and it's still coming back to me. Woo! It's amazing.